In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove quantity in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can hide or completely remove the quantity selector from your product page without touching any code. This is especially useful if you only want customers to buy one item at a time, or you just want a cleaner, simpler product page. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Themes section where you can manage how your store looks. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme listed. On the right side of that theme, there's a button that lets you edit the theme. Click that button to open the theme editor. This is where you'll customize what appears on your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look at the very top of the screen for the page selector. By default, this is usually set to Home Page. Click that dropdown and a list of different templates will appear. From that list, choose Products and then select Default Product. This tells Shopify you want to edit what a typical product page looks like. Once the product page loads in the editor, focus on the left-hand panel again. Here you'll see a list of sections that make up your product page. Find the section labeled something like Product Information. On the left side of that section's name, there's a small right-pointing arrow. Click that arrow to expand it and reveal all the blocks inside that section. Among those blocks, look for the one called Quantity Selector or Quantity. Hover your mouse over that block. On the right side of it, two small icons will appear, a trash can icon and an eye icon. If you want to completely remove the Quantity Selector from this template, click the trash can icon. If you might want to bring it back later and prefer to only hide it, click the eye icon instead. Hiding it will disable it visually without deleting the block. Now look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should see that the quantity selector has disappeared from the product page. This is how your customers will see it once your changes are published. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. This saves your changes and applies them to your store. Once that's done, your product page will no longer show a quantity selector to your customers.